Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick update on my Legion 7 Pro. So after having it about a month and it crashing every other day, I decided to put in a warranty request and my replacement unit should be arriving this Sunday here based on this tracking information. Just for any of you submitting the case, I just want to state that the conversation lasted about literally 10 seconds. I stated to the rep my computer was crashing. He pretty much just heard me, acknowledged me. I waited for 5-10 minutes on hold. Then he transferred me to the sales department, which essentially just shipped me a new computer, and that was it. No logs, no questions, no nothing. This leads me to believe that Lenovo is clearly aware of this situation, there's other people obviously that are having it, and I hope that this replacement does not have the same problem, and I hope this is the case for everyone else who's having this issue or dealing with this, because obviously spending $2,850 on a computer and having it crash every other day is very disappointing. So yeah, I will update once the new unit arrives. They said I have 5 days to ship back the previous one. So I will make another video once I get the new device and give it a test. So yeah, let's hope for the best.